So Loftek went ahead and sent this little RGB cube here. We're gonna go and check it out. So just go and check it out here. I already opened it. But let's see. So we have USB Type C, USB A to DC charging. It's an interesting charging method. I would have preferred USB-C since it's with everything. It should be a standard now, but I guess that's the quicker way of charging. I'm not too sure why they use that. But this is a waterproof RGB cube that's able to be changed with multiple colors, multiple scenarios, and it is waterproof. So you can throw it in a pool, or you can do anything. It's rainproof basically too. It's really cool. And the battery life on it, I think, is about 12 hours, I'm pretty sure. I'm trying to find it right now. So we do have, obviously, an on button. Now my rolling shutter speed is making it flicker right now. So let me go ahead and... Alright, so the cool thing about this is that you don't even have to use the remote. You could just press and hold the button on the bottom, and then it'll turn on. Right now you can't really see it because it's in daytime, so this is a little daytime test on how it looks. You can't even see it at all, but yeah. Well, so it does float in water, which is cool. So it doesn't submerge. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. If you actually soak it down, it turns the whole water green. So this is going to be cool for pool parties and stuff like that. They have bigger ones. They have spheres and squares and bigger inches. This is a 4-inch cube. They do have a 7-inch cube as well. And this is nice blue. This is the dark blue. You see that the IP65 water resistance is actually really good. Look, this even has a white too. It lights it up really well. The white on it is like a real white. It's not a tint of a blue, it's a real white. Got red, green, blue. It's on a jump right now. So you do have multiple colors. So you have red, very nice deep red. You have green, blue, orange, like a mint or a sea green, purple. Just a bunch of colors here. And you can even do like a fade, strobe, smooth, flash, white, and then you could change the brightness on this as well, which is really cool. I personally like keeping it on red and the, where is it, blue? The Tesseract blue. And it looks like a Tesseract. Like, it actually looks like a Tesseract. It's really cool in person. In camera, there's a lot of rolling shutter, which is kind of weird, but like in setups, you can easily add this into your setup or something like that, have it on your controller stand or something like that. I don't even know where you could put this. You be the judge on where you want to put this, because this is an insane cool thing. I honestly will be keeping it for about $20. You can get this, but right here you have a little flap on the bottom, which has the charging port, and that charging port will allow you to have this up to 12 hours. And then you have a color button on the bottom as well, and if you hold it, you turn it off and on. There we go. So now it's in a rainbow fade mode, so that's pretty cool. Different modes, different colors, brightness levels, and everything else like that. You have some Phillips screws on the bottom if you want to take it out or whatever. Pretty sure it's just a little bulb or maybe some RGB strips. I'm not too sure, but build quality is plastic, but it is really cool to have this little cube. They even have a bigger one, but I was trying to ask for that. They were originally trying to send the cube, the chair, but that's what I really wanted because I wanted to see what it would look like. But yeah, this is what it is. Yeah.